YouTube. Welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. These are the lots of batteries that I purchased from Amazon. By the way, this video is not sponsored by this company. So I purchased a lithium ion coin battery with the 3 volt. Some of them are CR2045 for the MyQ garage and also for the Lucid sun visors that uses the same types of batteries. And then the other one is the CR2025, 40 of them. And then the last one is the CR2032 3 volt lithium coin battery, 40 of them. So yeah, all 3 of them are not the well-known brand of the batteries. It's some of the cheap brand. So the review of them was more than 4.5 stars. So I just want to try all of them and see if they are good or not. So yeah, let's go and then unbox them and show you guys the batteries. I believe the one on the left hand side is the CR2450. Wow, pretty heavy. So yeah, 50 of them. They have a Japanese writing on there. But the batteries are made in China. So that's 10, 20, 30, 40, and then 50. Let me get my test meter to test out the voltage, see if they are fresh or not. Go and then turn it on. The top is positive. It's testing at 3.33 volt. So all of them should be the same. Put this in the package. Going to open this one. So this is the 40 of the CR2025, and this is 40 of the 2032. And this is made in China again. I just hope they last, so let's see, open one of them. Wow, so this one shows 3.37 volts. It's better than the CR2450. It says best before December 2029. Go and then test out the voltage. And this one's the lowest, 3.32. Okay. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any of the comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always. Peace.